No? What is
Oh, it's like a
film?
horror film that's literally filmed from like a camcorder. This is welcome to our detox holiday in Hungary. It's gonna be good. We're gonna have a very dry, clean time. The safe word is Palinka.
Palinka, yes sir. I can mute it, don't worry.
Alright, Jacob.
I never know what to say. Yeah, is that right? Yes.
Just look forlornly outside the window. Yeah. It's for the B-roll, right? Edit it later. Yes. Or look at me on. So I should have said Gen Z flipping the camera around. It's just insane. Well, it's quite cool actually. I think I might have skills for this.
I think this is. Okay.
Verified.
We're making it.
Why did they tell us the game? It looks like. Alright, I'll do
Just learning Hungarian swear words. You love to say it. We're here now.
I'm not gonna lie, that was I did sleep on the flight, but it felt very uncomfortable at the same time.
Yeah.
Somehow.
Space, but
Yeah, it was spacious, but I felt like it was still. It's still right there. Yeah. Like the seats are still here.
okay. See you. What is this place?
Where the murder?
Yes. Recording. Hello.
Hola, mis amigos.
What about the transport passes? Like, what do you say is better?
No, but that's pretty. If you have on the.
Yes.
He makes video compilations.
Yes.
And the prettiest trimline in all of Europe because it goes all along the bottom.
Yeah.
Like different topics. And we had the event inside because I wasn't smart enough for it, but still it was good. Sömnmagos sírként szeretnék Robi-Fülében.
Really? Eat it. No.
Yes.
Outside of work.
Yeah. Where are we? What bridge is this? The yellow bridge. That's the Danube, right? The Danube. Is that?
Danube.
Am I saying it
It's a
right?
famous blue Danube.
Yes. Hey.
Jacob just dropped 250 bucks and made it back on a car.
Yeah, exactly. Winning. Hey.
I have the combination anyway, so big wave for big.
Oh, this is it.
Going to dinner and stuff, catching up. That's great. And then after the night, we're walking back.
Enjoy. Yes, yes. 15,000 steps.
Yes,
Ready? Yeah. 5,000 more.
gotta catch up.
Colours on the other side as well.
Is it? You want?
Cheers, mate.
Just nip it. While you walk.
It's electronic device.
It was alright, and then my friend got drunk. Exactly. C'est bon?
Somewhere.
She got Is it really a garden?
So,
Hello, friends.
Hello.
Yeah, by now. Yes. Come on. How can I be
That one?
even local guide is a review in Korean. Look at this.
Wow. Let's go. Yes. Hello. Like that vintage vibe. Get me. Okay, nice. Alright.
He's creating a rift between us. Look at this.
Oh, good.
Easy. Come on.
放大了吗？跟那个放大。
Oh, good.
你没看
Just stand here. Yeah, what's up? Nice. Upside down. I was looking for it, but the thing's finished. He's went. Cut that. Cut.
There's a skull there if you want it.
Is it?
Yeah, like on the where they're ordering.
Oh.
Feel like you see?
Yeah?
Similar.
Maybe.
Delicioso.
You ready for
Can't
this?
see you. Your light is blinding.
It's the forehead.
That's
man.
not useful. The sun is up there.
Should I
I'm trying to block his
Yeah,
forehead.
yeah.
just cover his face? What's up?
Hola, mis amigos.
Hola.
Hoy mukbang.
Cheers.
I have my lip now. I didn't know we were on a Bevs. Should have ordered first.
Yeah, you didn't tell me, yeah.
So I'm cool.
That, especially now that I'm in this heap, I'm like, oh, I could use a bit.
I could use a palinka.
I mean, it's the last day of the trip, isn't it? Isn't all beverages supposed to be alcohol today?
We didn't say this when we got off.
isn't this
Drinking 24/7.
isn't this a common rule?
To be fair, I feel like after drinking this is pretty solid food to have. All of these calories are dreadful.
It's working. Yes.
But there,
We are away.
See, we're finished. We've completed Budapest.
Yes.
There's nothing more to see.
Nothing. Never coming again. Maybe coming again. Maybe coming again. Maybe.
It wasn't that bad.
Little bit. See ya.